And we're back here at the stock recap show. It is 10 November 2022, and I am super excited to get into it today. We have a great show here for you. The markets were up huge, okay? Important disclaimer before we talk about any financial or numbers related to the markets. I do just want to say, please trade at your own risk. These videos are intended for educational purposes only. Most people lose money trying to make money in the markets, okay? So just know that going in and take it easy. Let's get into the notable movers. We got a high, fly, ball, and it is out of here. TGTX was up huge. Let's just go into the tickers here, okay? So TGTX, if we go to the D here, that's the daily chart. So up 63.37% on the day. So wow, impressive move. MGNI, this was also up huge. Let's go over to this chart. This is the 15-minute chart, okay? So it opened a little bit above 7 and it closed over 950, okay? Huge move, up 65%. I think this was even on the pre-market movers. Wow, it was, okay? So MGNI, this was up 18% pre-market, and we alerted our subscribers here, okay? So if you're looking to become a subscriber, you can go ahead and book a call on FridayTraders.com, and we'll help you out getting that, okay? So that is the second notable mover. The last notable mover is apps. I even had to dip into this stock today. I bought it pre-market. I bought it a little high. I think it was like $14.50 or something, but I wasn't too worried about it. And by the end of the day, I was up 20 to 25%, okay? I sold some of it, and I'm even holding a small position here, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. That was the last notable mover stock. Now let's get into the about to break out stocks. It could go and it's off the wall. ADMA up 27.53%. Okay, so not as impressive as some of the other notable movers, but this still was a pretty big move. And through the highs, we'll see if this can continue tomorrow. I don't know. A lot of these about to break out stocks just never work out, but I'm pretty hopeful. This is a good pattern. The markets look great. If you look at the overall markets, they were all up huge today. The Dow was up 3.7, S&P was up 5.5, Nasdaq was up 7.3. Okay, so let's get into the next about to break out. Tusk, oil and gas. Okay, the energy sector is definitely looking like one of the strongest sectors. Okay, so if we look at the groups, and then we go down to the yearly performance, energy is the only one up 40%. The rest are just kind of down or slightly or like even, okay? So that's the second about to break out stock was Tusk. And let's look at ANSI. Okay, so I actually closed this chart because I didn't think it looked that great, okay? So just don't worry about ANSI. I'm trying to think of what other stocks were out there. Let me just look at our list here. FTCI. This was kind of a better about to break out stock. Okay, so I'm just going to fill that in for ANSI. FTCI 27. FTCI. Okay, so it was up 27.52% or something like that. Okay. So now let's get into the scary stocks. There were still a lot of scary stocks, even though all the markets were up pretty big, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and close that tab here. So even though all the markets were up pretty big, there were still a few stocks that were down huge. APYX was down 60.45%, okay? So don't just buy anything in this market. That's not a good strategy. If you're looking for a trade strategy that is proven through actual data and data points in the markets, then definitely schedule a call at FridayTraders.com and we'll help with your trade strategy and give suggestions and sort of consult and be an advisor if you're looking for something like that, okay? Not for everybody, but just throwing that out there. The next scary stock was VCSA, Vicasa. Okay, so tech hasn't really been doing great, but this was down on big volume, 18 million shares traded. So not really looking for this to recover, but who knows? It could bounce tomorrow. Okay, so we're watching, we're tracking it. Cano is the last scary stock, down 34.73%. And that's it for the scary stocks. That's it for this trade show. If you're looking to accelerate trade knowledge, okay, you can schedule a one-on-one call at fridaytraders.com, and I'll talk to you on the call. See you then. Bye. You're good.